In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho SalesIQ. If you're looking to elevate your customer interaction experience or want a comprehensive tool to monitor and engage with visitors, you're in the right place. Zoho SalesIQ is a powerful platform that allows you to track your website visitors in real time, chat with them, and even engage them proactively to improve your overall customer service experience. Let's start by getting familiar with the dashboard. When you first log in, you'll be greeted with a hub of various functionalities designed to optimize your visitor engagement. On the dashboard, you'll notice options like Live View. This feature allows you to watch your visitors' activity on your website in real time, which is a great way to understand and anticipate their needs. Next, we have My Chats. Here is where you'll manage all of your incoming chats. This consolidated view is perfect for keeping track of all your conversations without missing a beat. Moving on, we encounter the Visitors tab. The Visitors section offers an in-depth lookout, showing you detailed information about everyone currently browsing your site. You can see who's visiting, what they're looking at, and how long they've been on your site. This is crucial for tailoring your engagement strategy. Next on the menu, we have Chats, where you can track all your chat history. It's essential for reviewing past conversations to ensure you're delivering consistent and high-quality service. Then we arrive at the Outbound section, where you can oversee any outbound communication such as proactive chat invitations. This feature is particularly useful for reaching out to potential leads who might need a nudge in the right direction. The Calls section follows, which integrates voice support into your chat service. This option is perfect if you're aiming to offer a more personal touch by being able to talk directly with your customers. Continuing down the list, we have Feedback. It's important to pay attention to this area as well, because obtaining and analyzing feedback is key to improving your service offering. Reports are up next. They give you detailed analytics about your chat traffic, visitor presence, and overall customer satisfaction. The information here is valuable for making data-driven decisions to enhance your engagement strategy. Don't forget about canned replies. These preset responses allow you to respond efficiently to frequent queries, saving you time and maintaining consistency. The FAQs and articles sections are invaluable for setting up information that can help customers find solutions without direct interaction, reducing repetitive questions. Lastly, there's the Small Talk section. This feature allows you to create preset responses for casual or usual greetings and interactions, helping your communications feel more personal and engaging. With all these tools at your disposal, Zoho SalesIQ becomes an essential part of your customer service and engagement toolkit. Take your time exploring each feature and consider how each might fit into your current workflow for the best results. I hope you find this guide helpful as you set up and make the most of your Zoho SalesIQ experience.